This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to display the relationship between formulas and cells in Excel. The formula function in Excel is one of the most useful things any business owner or employee can use, especially when large volumes of data need to be evaluated. Sometimes you are given completed worksheets that you need to do extra analysis on. It is sometimes difficult to see where all of the functions in the file are and where they are coming from. When this happens, knowing how to use the formula audit toolbar is essential. If you click on the Excel ribbon tab called Formulas, you can see the section labeled Formula Auditing. Show formula function is very useful when you want to see which cells are formula driven, as well as when you want to do a thorough review of all of your formulas at a glance. Instead of selecting each individual cell and look at the function bar, all you have to do is click on the Show Formula button in the Formula Auditing section, and all of the cell formulas appear instead of their values. Trace precedence shows you all of the cells used to calculate a certain cell's value. When active, you see a blue box around the cells and an arrow showing the direction of information flow. To use this function, click on the cell that has the formula in it and hit the Trace Precedence button. All of the cells used in the formula of the cell will be outlined in blue. You can use the Remove Arrows buttons in this same section to get rid of the blue arrows. Trace dependence allows you to see all of the formulas that particular cell is used in. Evaluate formula uses to debug a formula by evaluating each part of the formula individually. To check for common errors that occur in formulas, execute the error checking. When cells are not visible on a worksheet, you can watch those cells and their formulas in the Watch window toolbar. The Watch window makes it convenient to inspect, audit, or confirm formula calculation and results in large worksheets. By using the Watch window, you don't need to repeatedly scroll or go to different parts of your worksheet. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.